you expect a woman to be begging a man for sex? Just take her now. A wife begging a husband for sex. Tomorrow your home will collapse. You say, house in that one. I'm at the door. I'm not there your house. Now me there here now for talk. I'm not there inside your house. Let me cause the problem. Let me take cause that problem there now. We'll be saying me not live with you for your house. I talk my own for social media for air like this. It don't finish. I don't go. I know how many women they beg their husband for sex. I know how many women they beg their husband for sex. I know how many. I don't forget say these people they talk to me on phone on daily basis. Now they beg. They beg their husband. Does that make sense? But you will see some men, that's what they be. That's what they have this thing be. They have bull and so it be. You know the rest. You don't get with the rest. And their wife, and they beg you. Then go and work on yourself. There's a problem somewhere. For marriage, money is not everything. For inside marriage, money is not everything. People don't understand. Money is not everything. You fit get money, your wife not be happy. You fit get heaven and earth, but your wife is not dey feel the happiness. Now what most of us don't understand. See, if you marry the way your papa take marry, you will never succeed your marriage in abroad. You will never. Not be joke. If it is sweet now, later it will crumble. I mean the talker. African marriage is different from Europe marriage. I mean the talker. African marriage is different from Europe marriage. They are not the same. Don't forget, you are not in Africa. We are here in Western world. So that means automatically their own system of marrying or marriage is still they apply. If not 100%, but it's still they apply into our marriages. So, if you are facing domestic violence, instead of fighting, please call the police. Just call the police, that's all. Okay? If there is no peace, then end up it. Just cut everything off. Let everything just end like that. It's more better. If you want manage, now they resort to all these kind of fights. But Prince, good afternoon, I see you. Now they resort to all these kind of fights. To fighting, to this thing, to that one, to that thing, to that for inside marriage. When I remember one for our sister for Italy, when the husband set camera for inside wardrobe. I'm not gonna remember when the husband set camera for inside wardrobe. Set camera for inside wardrobe for years. The woman don't know, for 3 good years. The woman don't know. The woman don't know. So with that thing, many of us are supposed to use that take get sense. With that thing, what that man do, he get the one that take the children and children, you get the one that take the children and children. When the children and children engage with herself, not with the women. When the children and children engage with herself. Now remember that woman case of camera. When police came, the woman had to hear Italian language. You know the hear. Then she was begging the daughter, please, can you help me to translate to the police. Daughter said, no, I can't help you. I can't translate for you. Picking when you born. Now only the son now took the step to tell the police at this very point, this very issue now, okay, now my papa that ain't wrong. Now my papa now beat up my mama. Now ain't wrong for this one. But your female daughter refused to help you as a mother. So think about this. Something is wrong somewhere. On a power tap. You see, if anything happen now for that house, what did that woman do? Then that camera will show. You see, no be waiting in do. You don't show her to police. How you go say you go marry woman come and you are still insecure, and the woman is insecure, and then you go marry and come for Nigeria. As a man they come, your place camera for wardrobe. Camera will be white, you compare that to black. Hang for wardrobe. Probably the woman was not even angry because of that, but the woman was angry. Now that same spot where he put that camera, now there for the change. Now they put my clothes, they put my makeup, they put my breast, everything. Why that particular place where he put on, and there for the change? Why I could put on there? So there's a question you should ask yourself. You see, I say, not be the way people think say marriage be, not be so it be. If you go to social media now, you see all those women say, well, they say, yes, I can't mingle with single women, never. Or I can't allow my wife to mingle with single mothers. It's not possible. My wife can never go close to a single mother. If you see the war when with the wife, they war for us. If you see the problem when we they get for us, now only God know, not be here. Single mothers, they are human beings. Mama call me that day, bro, Austin, I don't understand you. Why you always encourage these single mothers? Single mothers this, single mothers that. That's how they encourage them for where? What do you mean? What do you mean? May I talk something here? Should I say something here now? Should I say something here? I want to talk something now. Should I proceed? Should I go deeper? Good. Mona check who they foolish pass. Mona check who they foolish pass. Somebody way give two women belly. Now two women born for her. Okay? Now two women born for this person. Okay? Now two women ain't born for her. He never still married till today. Okay? He never still married till today. But he talk say he hates single mothers with passion. He said that I hate single mothers with passions. But you don't produce two single mothers already. Are you not a single father? People say not a single father. They say not. I don't understand though. Why people think they don't see single fathers? Why? Somebody will don't produce two single mothers. What that person be? What will he be? I hate single mothers with passions. Okay, good. You hate single mother with passions. Your kids, you see, is still attached to you. Your kids, their mom is single mother, and you now you are a single father. You get what you mean? No life for Germany here. You go particular to one life for Germany here. If they do that thing, woman, if I get ancestors, or if I talk to my ancestors, no how, that thing, will invoke. Or sometimes, the way we take the pity for us, we don't get that kind of pityness for now. Somebody don't make you single mother. And you did Germany here. And the same person did Germany here. What to make you not what to make you to say that person, you don't make it they pay dearly. Make it they pay dearly on monthly basis. You know me will not call me. And I'll say the man they pay. I don't want to make. I know just for sure. I know to make come they pay so that me I not stress too much. I not make the stress. You not make it the stress because me come they pay your children. But you the stress for the pikin now when you born for them. Now the love for the ground, now the love for the land where you dey. Say as soon as far the man and the woman know they live in the same house where those children they live, then the man must be paying on monthly basis. Then you will say the pity. And if you tell her now, if you tell like this, if you tell like this, what are you saying? That money will help you, will also help your kids. That money now for your children upkeeping. That's what it be. Now for their upkeep, because it's very, very important. Those children will buy shoe. Now when they want to start school, now you know how much they buy books. You know how much they buy books. You know how much. More that's when a day, your father's when they you now understand what I thought so. When children go back to school, about me, I get to you. I know how that thing, I know how much I bring come out to buy books. What about single mothers when they do it alone, when they alone, when you get 4 children, when you get 5 children? For Germany here, you know how much they sell those things. Now so una take dey cause this problem to ourselves. The stubborn baby say body tell me oh, say body tell am. See am. Oyibo, they will tell you say this one, you buy this one. You never finish oh. They see they come back say this one fail, this one fail, this one fail, this one fail. If you don't know the stress where this body pass through, and you get pikin with all these women, and you know they show concern, it's a pity. It's not a crime say una separate as a man, okay? It's not a crime say una separate, but see how they work. Wetin bind you and that woman together now those children, okay? Now those children wanna get together, right? At least if you want to go visit those children, still buy something home. It was now once in 2 months now you go. It was now once in a month now you feel go. At least hold something for back. See hold something now your children. See hold something. Go give them. Without that one, now they say now our children, now they brainwash, and now our wife, our ex-wife, or our baby mama. Now they brainwash una children. In some cases, nobody they brainwash una children. Now what una children they see. You understand? Some of una, the cost one the cost way when they receive on daily basis. One of my guy when go there, that one I talked yesterday, where he go they date one from a black sister. The experience when the experience for there, he said I will say cost the bad person. The way that woman tell they cost that man we make a baby papa. Say that man for don't buy for where they. Because some women they will be say they remember the past, what happened to them. Okay, they will come to use that anger for their children. Please don't do that. If you are doing that, don't do it. Because why? Not be your children put you for the one where you dey. You see, Not be they put you for the one you did. So if you dare more those people when they use that aggression, go they put that for your children body, please not do them again, please. Because of God. Okay? If your marriage is not working, don't manage it. Not they manage marriage. It's a lie and it's a scam. They don't manage marriage. Okay? Wait, I'm coming. Please help me to power tap. I'm coming. Just 1 minute. Let me go. I'm coming. Please power tap. Power tap. I'm coming, please. Just 1 minute.
You thought you said none of my property is here. Why do you remove my clothes? Why do you remove my clothes? The washer. Why do you? Is it that thing you want? All this while I don't. That thing you gave me today. They do. Know what you want? See why Papa don't play. That's why you don't know when to leave and when to stay. They do the go. Alex. They do the go. Alex, go. You see these children? Alex, go. They wind up for government. Alex, go. You came me today. I forgot where you came me today. As I came me today. They come down. They come down. See, you're not going to let me get my shit. No. They come. You came me today. Don't worry. I beg you to leave in peace. You don't want to leave. Let me to leave in peace. Because you want to fight. Don't worry. They do the go. You see my clothes? They do the go. You see my clothes? They do the go. Don't you be that phone. 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 Let me tell you. Don't you be that. I beg, don't you be that. I beg you, don't you be that phone. I tell you, I don't carry that for you. I don't carry that for you. I don't carry that for you.
Power tap, we'll get there. I know they go out today. Today no work.
Not to be like. I tell you not to be like. I don't do anything. Not to be like for. Not to be like. I tell you. Not to be like. Not to be like for. You don't carry that. Not to be like.
This man a woman be said. A woman you be. Not go choke me knife. You know they come out. Not choke me knife. Not choke me knife. Where back?
Not choke me knife.
Not choke me knife.
Which one? This one?
But you let me have that phone. I swear to God, I will split blood.
Go see her for TikTok now with the cost women. You have the better for us.
Not choke me this knife. Not choke me knife.
Oswald.
I tell you. Not choke me knife.
Not choke me knife. You see the there.
Not choke me knife.
Not even hold that.
No, you don't have that phone. I tell you. No, you hold that.
I begged you. Leave this room.
You want to kill me?
Go your room.
You want to kill me?
Leave me.
Are you trying to kill me? Oh, yeah, kill me. Kill me. No worries. Kill me. Kill me now.
So even when the woman still leave her, you see the talk say, buy me now. See, women, you don't have time for all this thing. No go do am. No go do this thing. No. They say make I use that take shaft for na ear. Our Canadian sisters say make I use that take shaft for na ear. No go do this thing. You wait there for Europe. No go do this thing when this woman do so. If you don't want to lose your children, if you don't want to lose your children, if you don't want to go prison, let me tell you something. No be everybody when you go prison for Germany, nobody they come out alive good again. A lot of people when I know say don't go prison for Germany, most of the Cameroon people, Nigeria people and Ghana people, if they come out for prison, na train station that they stay. If government even mistakenly give them house again, no they like them again. No they like them again. They prefer train station. Maybe they sleep for train station. They prefer to the stay train station than to live for house. Because house now no master the again. Anything like house, you don't master the again. Love me, I greet you. You understand? German prison, not be waiting person one experience. Yes, it's beautiful. But what I hear about inside, just avoid German prison. Anything will carry you go German prison, whether you are a man, you are a woman, just avoid it. He get one Cameroonian man when he talk something before he buy, as he come out for prison. Okay, he said the food where they give him, that food you don't get choice, but not before everybody though. In some cases, but for his own, he accused the government for his own. Say food that they give him, that food they put something for inside. You see, so anyone can you go to this kind of prison like this? Just avoid them, please. Just avoid them, please. You get why they tell you all these things. you see that they shout, this one, that one, leave. If you don't leave, call police, because you already take the law into your hands already. You see, carrying knife alone, you don't take the laws into your hands. Whether you choke press you not choke press you don't carry law into your hand. Because why? The children are there in that house. Good afternoon, Star Beauty, I see you. Children are living there in that house. There is a child there. So the government want to rescue that child. No be now. See, if you think say the government they like you, they want to rescue you, then you never know how Europe they work. If you let me go pound ourselves sometimes, you know they concern them. But if children did that house, that's children are government children that they be. That children that they first can rescue come out. Maybe many of you don't understand that one. For you to go carry knife, for call police. So our police come, they'll come to and come out for that house. Is that not okay like that? I still remember one for our sister in Spain. Maybe if I remember. I still remember one for our sister in Spain. When I could call my daughter. One sister, we one for our brother carry come from Nigeria. As a carry come from Nigeria, it is saying how those women will be saying they see for Edo State for there. For Edo State. Now this woman be. As a carrier come, carry the 4 children come, join them. The man called them misbehave. I don't know if I remember that woman for Spain. He called them misbehave. He wanted the woman to say, "Na me carry you come." So anything when they talk, you keep quiet. Or they beat the woman. The woman called the teller and say, "The day when I will meet you, when you come, you want me, when they abroad for many years, you can't do anything." The woman can go police station. Now they forget something to shout. Not remember that woman. The woman can go police station. Police can't give her some equipment. Make it put for a place and for place for house. Come put on there. The man can't go Nigeria. As the man go Nigeria, he don't know say the woman want her bush out with police. Oh, that woman, I never see person when get sense past that woman. For Europe here. See what the woman did. The woman know say that day is going to be the last day between both of them. Now the husband now carry the woman, carry the 4 kids for Nigeria, carry the come Spain. Make una listen. Now the man carry the come. But you carry The woman get plan. In case police come through her tomorrow, then before that you call the hungry am, you see carry am long way. But I remember the woman carry it off at that time now. Why not forget? Then the man can really do all those things. That good evening, I see you. Good afternoon, ma. The man can really do that thing. Can do that thing. Can do that thing. The man can enjoy her. Say she can't enjoy her. I can't do. If she now can calculate her for us, say I can't do 1 year, 2 years, 3 years old. I can't do her for grand. Her name is Sister Beauty. God bless you. You don't need to graduate self. No need. I for you give you graduation self. Her name is Sister Beauty from Spain. God bless you. See, a good student. When they forget something. Sister Beauty from Spain. She come here, come tell her this story. I didn't move the man come out. You see, because the man they beat her. She don't get power to fight. He beat her every time. Now so the next day, he was starting madness. Person when they do something last night, when they got a tire for nights. What did it be problem the next day now? You don't know said all the house. Police don't put camera for everywhere. He can't go jam something for under beds. As he jams something for under beds, he can't say this in a camera. When they ask the wife, then the wife come we go call police say he don't see one of those things so when he mad for under bed. Make it raise alarm. Cause police they hear their conversation. That's what they do for that house. Police they hear it for their office. Make it raise alarm. So they ambush everywhere. Come pick the man. Come ambush the man. Go put her for where they want to put her, where it belong to. You see how? So sometimes, not be say with the men will be not they try, but will they use some of us, but also some of us, so not be say will be not they try, but will they use anger to they spoil things. Not be say that man be not try for a wife and the children. I know how much you will spend. They carry 4 kids plus their mother come all the way from Nigeria. I know how many money when you go down for them. You see, come join what we they talk us and say many of our men we do they feel relaxed in the sense that because we do something for our children, we want to make their mother use their take carry on. So we don't know say not be the way we take the count time. Not be say this woman take the count time. What you do for a woman? Not what you want to praise you today. You never understand. It did the woman mind. Okay? But the one way they do her bad. Now that one I need to carry well more than what they do them good. Because why? Women get the way God ought to create them on their own. You understand? You get the way God ought to create them on their own. Like I said yesterday, if you follow them the way God they create the soul, before you go prison, you don't know when. You no even know what they carry you go prison. You no go know. You no go know when. Please, make we work on our hands. Today, I purposely shift a show to tomorrow because of this issue. Because of this issue. Because the way all these things now come before Europe, I would thank God now say a lot of people don't they wise, don't they smart. Do you know how women feel when you call them Ashawo? Do you know how they feel? Even the real Ashawo, if you call her Ashawo, she ready to stone you to death. Don't talk of your wife. When you put for house, you they use that word for your wife. Or because your wife is just asking you out in bed. Please. Please. Me, I will never advise anybody, whether you are a man, you are a woman, I will not even advise anybody to leave Europe. Hope you say Europe men and women are not good, then go to Nigeria and go and bring somebody to abroad. Or in the name of marriage. Not try them, oh. Not try them. You will regret them tomorrow. You will regret them. But nowadays, things they change every day. Things they change every day. And things they change for abroad. Our women don't they smart. Our women don't they shine their eyes. Our women, they don't they know what they want. You understand? So don't forget, if your marriage is not working, your relationship is not going well, don't fight anybody. Okay? Knife also, no. Two things involved. Call the police, or you leave, or he leave, for national peace to reign. I think it's more better. You when they talk say, why this man always talk about leave. This man even know what to be marriage. Me when you they talk to say whether I know what to be marriage, I know marriage more than you. You see, me when you talk say whether I know what to be marriage, one has also leave me just they talk. I know marriage more than you. You when you talk that thing now, if you don't marry, the day you will beat your wife, she will leave you. She will leave you. So that means no go buy her one day. Because who buy na in-laws. Who buy na in-laws. You understand? So me prefer say you just go. Bye. Then stay with your kids. I don't know why people just see single mother as a crime. Me, I don't know. Maybe not be the way they see them. Marriage, they sweet, I know. But if you don't work for you, you want by yourself, the answer is no. Huh? What about people who never get children? I know one woman will get money. It's a millionaire in euros. He has money. But you don't get picky. It's now going to 65 years old now. By age. You don't get one picky not get. One picky, you not get. Not be like she did. Not be like she did. She won't go by herself now because she not born. The answer is no. The answer is no. You were born. As you born Peking, then you come to say maybe you get 4 5 children. Somebody who never born before, it can't come your life. My sister, suspect that thing, oh, please. Suspect that thing. Watch that thing well, if not real. Because some of us, if we not get house, we want to stay at the moment. We all find woman when we get house. We want to put our head first. Now so many of us they live. Yes, live. I prefer that one than fighting. All the man carry knife, he choke you. Or you yourself carry knife, you choke the woman, the man. Think about it. If I tell you say any home day when quarrel not day, and lie. But no also forget the same home so when I thought say no home when quarrel not day. Make I still tell you, okay? Nobody can quarrel when we call result to say you carry knife, me will carry knife. You will carry knife, me will carry knife. Nobody that can quarrel. Nobody I mean. You know if you tell me say you love person or person love you. Now only when una carry knife. Now they know say una dey fight each other. Love not dey there. Love not dey there. Marriage not dey there. Love not dey there. Even marriage too is not in that place. That is the truth, my people. That is the truth. Please, we want to carry our children first as our first priority. If you work, good. If you not still work, okay, no problem. We want to let people threaten us with marriage. People threaten us, I already laugh. I go to social media now. People already brag. Ah, you go call police for me. You already brag. If you're not there good and you don't know how to come out, call the police. Call the police. The one thing when police find they look. Okay? Now the well-being of those children. Now the well-being of those children. It is very, very important. And it matters to the government a lot. On so many occasions when I don't see things like this. On so many occasions. At the end of the day, remember, they say if 2 elephants fight, now the grass, now the suffer. If you and your wife they fight all the time, now your children, now the one suffer. Now be the logic. Very simple arithmetic. Now your children, now the one suffer. You really need the fight? The answer is no. If they collect your children as a woman, please, as at that time, not born pikin again. Please, not born again. In so many cases, if they collect your children, you born again. The government will still come and collect it again. In so many cases. Because they know the first one, there was no action. So the second one, if they take them, nothing will still happen. I hope you remember one for our sister now again. When he say if I born for Nigeria, he come born for one man for Italy. God may call collector. They go carry go on that city. May go seek asylum for there. She reached there. He come born again. God may come collect her. These people, if they don't read your neck, they don't do your neck. You see, I pray make common sense, make it common. I just pray. I pray. So, okay, say remember, good. Remember, if government collect your pikin, not born again, never think about children, never you think about children at all. Never think about children. Just forget about children first. Because they will still
Good afternoon, sir.
I greet you, brother. Please, good afternoon. How body? You get network, so Prince.
No be small. Na my data, no be the network. Na rubbish one I go buy. Na Nigerian way na. Good afternoon, sir.
I greet you. Now every time they cry for network, every time.
I may greet you, pass. How your side? That man matter tire me. How you go? They tell woman say, "Not choke me now, not you stand there." You not go run. Now juju be that.
And Juju,
They use rope tire. Ha. Wow. No be small thing also. You are really trying. Wetin you dey hear every day.
that's what they hear that for. That's what we say that for abroad. Oh. That's what we say that for here. All these things they happen. Yes, people say yes. If they happen for Nigeria, yes. Okay. If they happen for Nigeria on daily basis, let me tell you something. Nigeria and abroad, okay, you cannot compare it to each other. Yes, you can't compare both places to each other. If it happen for Nigeria, but it no need to happen for abroad. No. If it happen for Nigeria, don't me say make it come happen for abroad. Why did they call am Western world? Why did they hear the name Western world? Because it get where they don't reach. Where be say they believe on themselves. You're not in Nigeria. If you want to be beating women, go back to your country. Go and be doing it there. Go and do it in your country. Go and practice it in your country. At least you have a country. Go back to your country. You can do it there and go scot-free. But if you do it here in abroad, you will go to prison. That is it. There's no two ways about it. Get be your country. Go there and do it. Also be my people. Star Ceci, how are you?
My papito one. My papito one. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, how about you now?
What did they see? You don't they call my name very good. You know, see the way they pronounce my name. Now they give me joy. Chai, 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 chai. Before even you go drag am now. You know they drag am again.
You don't master me now.
Yes,
you don't master me.
You know.
You don't master me.
Oh, so you're doing well. Thank you so much, sir. You're doing well.
God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah, also I want to contribute to like this, like all these men, they feel like say they will go Nigeria, they will go marry a woman, they will bring her come like abroad, they will feel control. I get person will say that my friend, me as a man, I will just talk finish. She tell me what her husband they do. I tell her, be say the Lord is your strength. But now what I tell her be that because me I know they put my for husband and wife matter. The husband go there for 8 months, you know go touch this woman. They did the same house.
How many months?
good months. 8 months they go there for us. The man no go touch this woman. He no go talk to her. He go keep enmity with the woman. He no go touch her. The woman go just day. Now Atlan say, you no dey with your husband. Now your brother you dey stay with. But tomorrow night, if that woman leave her now they go open and say, he bring you come Europe, you leave her. 8 months, he no go touch this woman. He no go touch her for bed. Two of them dey the same bed. He no go touch her. Yes, so he bring the woman come. They just now this month they complete 1 year. We carry the woman and the children. 2 boys come from Nigeria to Finland. He no go touch the woman. Me they say the man they do for outside.
What do you think?
Because okay, what you can make her know they touch the woman if the man know they do for outside.
But you remember saying that this show now
Yes.
from a woman can expose the husband. Stay the husband, you know they touch him for
Yes.
months. Don't they
Yes.
touch her, don't they sleep with her. At the end of the day, come find and say the husband na agege.
Yes, I remember. Okay, but so okay, who he can't they touch if he know they touch woman for outside?
Agege na men like they knock now.
Yeah, okay, yes, not truth. Because
I mean,
me, I not
nah.
tell the woman say may leave the marriage. I not tell her may leave the marriage because I not there when they say marry. I not tell her may leave the marriage. I mean I not there. Yes, so I not there when they say do. I do. I not there.
You remember that time? See, let me tell you something, Let me tell you how these people operate.
Yes, sir.
It's very easy to know them. Okay? This woman, so when you can't carry issue, can't give us that time. The woman, they very smart. You know why? The
Yes, sir.
woman still say she not born pikin. He say she not born pikin. She can't go give her body to the man friend. Make it do him. As you give body to the man friend, the man can't really do him. He can't get belly. When he get belly, I get know very well say no big get pikin. He know, but he can't lock up. You see, he know say the wife don't go do another thing for her side. But say he no care. Then he can see beer like that. So until the day where be say you might go get another belly again for the same man for her side. Because it bona, I get collector say na pikin.
Yes, I remember. Yes.
No, remember.
I remember. Yes.
When the woman come meet
remember.
her
Yes.
for their room, because he say
yes.
the man, which is the husband, he they give her friend blow job.
Blue job. We catch them for inside
We catch
house.
them.
Yes. Yes.
Now so them be. So we know say that pikin not be your own. So they know say that pikin not be their own. They know. They know. So that pikin not be their own. They'll put her for their mind. That's what they operate. How you will deal with your wife for the past 8 months?
8 months, sometimes 3 weeks, 3 months. You know they talk to this woman. They go just be enmity. You know go talk to this woman.
Good afternoon, sir. I will start to greet you. I greet
Good
everybody.
afternoon, my sister. How far?
I
Don't
did 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. I really don't put me right for the work and no network. I just say break now. That's my come outside. Now, all the things we they talk since they just they break. I don't know the year where they put me.
Yeah.
But I love me, they would they greet me. Yes, sir. But I love me, they would they greet me just now. Self, I know, and I know fit answer. There is I know fit write nothing.
Now what you see there?
Now good afternoon. Just a break now, 15 minutes break. I want to collect. I want to take cafe. Now let's make a quick enter. Now I greet you.
Yeah, thank you. I greet you
Everybody. Well done, sir.
Well,
Those sir. So now that man, yes sir, that woman when you dey talk, when you say she really she really know wetin dey. I bet my sister no vex, no vex. Nah, sister Beauty, when this pain, and then a Beauty. You remember now?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I remember. Yes.
Well, all of us drink. Who go buy one for our matter that day. Love is small. Those
That one
are
not going to carry knife now. Going to carry knife. How will you carry knife? Going to fight now.
enough happen.
Don't be so some people don't know what they want to do, but they take laws into their hands. And that will be the problem. Don't want to take laws into your hands. You know? So that your friend now, when the husband when they sleep with, he don't complain to the man by himself.
You know, I mean, if he just talk, the man begin to the shout. He go begin to the shout. You won't force me. The woman can't tire. You know, can't they complain again? But I tell him, say, anything will make the man start to the beat him, make it talk come outside. Now, wait till me, I tell him that if the man don't lay hand, because he say the man saying go buy him, he go buy him. I say, okay, the man don't tell you say go buy you. You sure say the man no go harm you. He say the man never start to the beat him. I say, okay, since he never they beat you, if he beat you, then you know the authority to tell. He say yes. I say okay.
You will buy him.
Now so he said the man they tell if that they quarrel. He go say he go buy, he go tell the children say una mama waka leave me. That's how he demand. He say that's how demand they talk.
But now, what is she call the enjoy now?
You know say some people they won't bear that Mrs. I be married woman. Now that name that they like to bear Mrs. so.
Okay.
And he still look and say na the man bring and come the Europe now. So
the man bring and come a born for the woman. You know what I say people when they bring people come, the people don't talk to person, they don't talk to the people in the country today.
I mean I just I know now.
So that will not be anything. Say person carry person come. Not be anything. My own senior brother, overall senior brother, now he carry wife come all the way from Nigeria, come marry her for Italy for there. So that
me, I don't give am advice what I'm supposed to give my own sister. So make she use her tongue take counter teeth. Now be my own.
Epa, wetin she dey enjoy there na love me dey enjoy there. So hand go touch am. So
It's a love me.
see me, wetin me I got to tell you now. May you help me tell her. Na be this. May she not wait until they call the heater before I go report. So maybe the day they go hit her, and that day go see the other side of the earth too. He go forget say this side day. May go complain now. Because any man wey don dey open man they tell you say I go buy you, not be until he go hit you. Maybe the day where the something go your comot. Now the way that woman take carry that thing we carry where we see that video. Now so it go your throw hand before I go know. Now the same story where say go tell the children, so now I go still tell police. So make she first see. I know say now your friend, you dey fear say me not say now you want spoil marriage for him, but for you to fear, it's better for you to. No, my dear sister, it's better for you to tell her the truth. In case when it happen, even if it can't still dey strong, you go remember say it's see friend wey be say he tell her the truth. Now stumble ahead. Now so me deal. If you be my friend, you tell me so kind thing, you're not come for you. Even if you can't say more not be friends again, I'm not come for you. Block me. I go even still let you know. Say if you want block me, you are free. But I don't tell you my mind. So my dear sister, because there's a reason why Evan Alan can't talk to you. So now or if you not fit talk to her, tell her say make go download TikTok, may you carry her come, may you invite her, they come every day, make her they listen to what we they talk here. So when they listen to
with that, make she go download TikTok. Yes.
So when they listen to what we they talk here, to make decision, it go dey more easier for her. You dey understand? So because me, the way me they see this thing, so you see the person when not they collect all here for body, the engine just they knock, and he not be saying not they see the person now. They see the person. Oh God! If they see the person, even with the person go even see like that for the she tell the survivor. I should not the survivor. Ah, wahala dey o.
Me. But I love me. I want to talk to this our sister, because my break will soon finish. My sister, see, no say this buying, you know they send the address, you know they send the, you know they call, say in they come you know they, you know get phone number when in I saw daily night they show, and again, you know remember again I don't know get one video when it just the trend now for TikTok.
Yeah,
Again we just close for. No, not be that one. Maybe I don't watch that one. You get the one when one girl. No, a white girl, but let's say Ukraine girl like that. You just uniform, a t-shirt when they work for whether na McDonald's or kebab, I don't know. You sit there with her, she don't enter train. She sit down, she concentrate on her phone. One skeleton woman went there for a back, went down for straight. One black man carried that with a red pullover. Now so he carried a small this in pocket. This one they cost something for kitchen. Now so he get up, he give the girl for neck. The girl now, that girl, if they tell her say that girl, if they tell her say she go work, she no go return, she no go enter, she no go return that day. Now that day be her last day, she go believe, she no go believe. So that your friend there, you need to tell them. The day when they set, nobody they know.
Yeah.
You understand? So now waiting they be that.
Go by person. When they come for work.
Yes, so okay, I go send you the video.
No be.
Also, I go send you the video. That thing really pay me. The girl just the person just close for work. He just enter train, concentrate on her phone. Now, so you know, say the person wants to now go early grave. He just they are back. Now, so the guy just be like, oh, now that smoke this team went to that one where they bend, they enter inside that pocket one. Now, so the guy just bring and come outside. He just get up. Now, so he give her for neck, and the girl come like the girl won't position her neck where safe. The girl safe even shock. Oh, so if you see the shock when the girl shock, the girl come shock, come look at. After now, the girl come look at t-shirt now. The something now, the red something now, they float. Oh, so you never reach small, you never reach any in small time. So the girl they go down, they go down. So the girl they fall.
Jesus.
Now so the guy they waka come up for side train. People even dey that place when the thing happen. Nobody hold. Oh, say now make a this pepper this thing when they put for people why it they very necessary.
Pepper
Science.
spray.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Let me talk about this pepper spray, okay? Now my feet be that. So please, pepper spray for Germany here is against the law, okay? But you get the one way they allow. If you go buy them, go ask question first, okay? Go ask question first. Not be all pepper spray is allowed on the streets. Please, you have to know it for good. Go and ask anybody. Go and ask a lawyer or go and ask the German people. They will tell you, here in Germany, pepper spray is verboten, it's forbidden, okay? But you get the one way they light for pepper spray. Now let that one ordinary person is allowed to use. If they see the other one for your hand when not they allow, then you will pay fine for it and they'll collect them from you. Okay? I for sure now one. May I go show them one?
What of the one when be say you come grand that akboko, you grand the akboko, you come fit around, you come put up for that small. You come
wait,
you come put up inside that spray bottle.
Are they common at the
Okay. That guy why you go make a colo. You know about this African pepper before. When African pepper die, no be clear. That guy, what to make me even talk about that spray something so people went in for that train when that it happen I would say they get that man for not escape that thing. As he do so person go just sprang for a high before Koti come. But nobody, everybody come with the run safe. The guy buying very painful.
The truth now be this. You know, say train where you dey see. You see, say train where you dey see, so train get camera. The man no go fit escape it. They go trace down because as he take down, so everything they'll go view the camera for the train. Everything, so they go use that in face in the pictures, the camera so take trace am because you know, say as we get documents, so everything about your document now when your face don't show, they'll start to the trace am. Even if the picture now two type of people. So they go still trade the two type of people. They go know with in hand. You know, say you get some tests where they go do with hand everything. They'll know the person way by. So they'll catch the man.
Bro, love me. Bro, love me. Might I tell you something. I know it's in DM for that guy on him. The guy news we can carry am. They say na person will be say don't put on for many things and a homeless person. Now the news we carry am
like
that.
this. I know that's I know that's the title of alarm, but more we all flash and more flag or more flash like this. Like this one like this now. If police see for your hand, they feel they will give you fine. It's not allowed like this one. Go title now the flash and more go TikTok. Now me they see what be this one. Okay. Now this kind of one this one.
Yeah, also don't do. Also
This
don't
one
do.
be very very dangerous. Okay. It is very very dangerous. Very very dangerous. Okay. But it's not allowed. Many of them like this.
That one not they come up for cloth. If you enter cloth, oh.
Many of them, many of them like.
Thing, when you hail them, I go they turn you.
If I do this thing for inside this place now,
Check guys, which one
you
was?
see person when they parlor, what they affect person when they parlor. If I just pray and just pray and here now, person when even stay parlor, you go they affect them. Okay, may you know. So as now talk about pepper spray, I remember I say me I quit talk that one. Don't be all, don't be police they allow. You get the one with the light. That one don't get problem. But this one, like this, they plenty like this.
What about Akboko? Like we black now, come back Akboko for Afro shop. We call cook and can't fit around. What about that one? That one's still good now.
And police don't know to be a poko now. Police don't know now.
They'll go this to their lab now. Go look up. Now they know. Yo.
For police station, they tell them say knock
Okay, Sister Omega say na defense. Yes, na defense, but it's not allowed. It's not allowed, but na defense, but it's not allowed. You get the one they allow, but not be this kind of one, this kind of tough one. I get that plenty.
Host, love vessel, good morning.
Who they talk?
Have a good afternoon.
I greet you, good afternoon.
Man, I love vessel. I dey go work this morning. I meet woman. The woman just like me well. You just give me hope. I don't do anything. Around 12 o'clock, you all write me say no they do again. What's the meaning of that? You sure say my village people how they follow me?
One
I love
line.
vessel.
You need deliverance.
He don't go meditate. He don't go think about I just see you. He don't go meditate. Maybe the way
My brother, not think
maybe the way you take scope am, you know enter.
Akelo.
Now I pray I just need to because if I can't take the blessing my village people don't follow me because the way you don't take not my hopes
don't get
see woman. I just send me I check my phone now. He just send me breakout message. I don't know what I do. 8 o'clock.
My brother,
how many hours now? I don't reach how many hours? 8, 9, 10.
My brother,
11,
you know what he happened to you?
4 hours.
What happened to you? He go reverse on a story again. He go reverse on. The thing go play again for our brain. Now make us say you red card.
No, so I just close so make I ready to go out. I just say me I sit talk my side. I don't know what happen. Whether na village people follow me.
I'm the village people at all. Village people
He
they
don't see who
hungry.
pass you.
Village people they hungry. They hungry. They need food. Now they follow you. Those who never see food eat. Those who never follow you. Like
The guy don't go. He don't go round. Yes, the guy don't go round. He don't go the present and the past.
He don't go his village where he come from.
He don't go round.
You just say
wow.
no people
The guy don't
water.
Can you imagine? Did he pay the guy? He pay now. Where for carry come here? You don't say he pay now well.
Well, the top enter the girl bone. As he come reach house, he drink water, the thing come out for his blood.
Maybe the guy go easy. The guy go easy the pass. The pass.
If una for fair ask her whether na black girl or na white girl, so now know where the matter they come from. So now so you're rich.
If now white, maybe if I not carry come here.
But if na black girl, at the moment they talk finish, when they talk finish. So when the girl reach us, maybe na still wash you today now. Maybe na one of your students will still dey wash you. So when he come wash her, he come see, he come analyze everything. Say no, this one not be go, no go area. Now this one no need to rush enter. Now I tell her like.
It depends the guy shiny way, but it's okay.
Na white girl 9%.
What guy they do? What guy even do a pass? And what guy even do a pass now? For here, what guy just want me you leave one? As you know the worker they come, he will block you. I said they do a move.
After I don't chop finish, he go block.
Block him.
Wow.
The guy pay now shiny way, pay now.
Austin, but Austin, I just the listen. I heard the watch. I heard the watch from FYP say if I would like comment. I would like comment or whatever. So make I say I dare FYP. I say maybe to avoid. I would like
nothing about FYP. Me and FYP we don't be friends.
I come.
If anybody call you, also you dey work since.
I dey come.
I say you dey work since.
But wetin come make me come? Wetin make me dey tell am be say when the guy talk, it don't make me tell. I no come fit bear that. Vicky, what's up? Bros, maybe bros don't go test start say I love you. You don't understand. When be say they just say under 1 hour.
As today's right?
Maybe don't go test start say I love you. You understand? So or maybe when he wants to save the number, so he goes save and say, oh, maybe my love. So for that girl will get sense, go no say this on a better red flag. How you go love person when you never see? Or okay. Secondly, or secondly, say na see you.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Now, good afternoon. Host, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I say that guy will come up just now. He don't go toast our member. Now
I remember I go toast.
Oh, now remember, I go lie for you. I remember we. You know, the moment you will just toast us like this, we will call your flashback. We will call remember that word.
Flashback.
Single mother and mistake. Now
white. Now white it go be. Now white it go be. I wish the guy there now you for tasting now white. Now white they behave like that.
Forget brass, not be only white. So we say we don't white. So the moment that they, you know, say some of them once they your call, now the moment they see you, they don't love you. Now be our African brother. As they all see you now, babe, I love you. You know me before. When you they love me.
Our Nigerian girls they accept that one. In Bono they accept I love you.
Yes,
I guess the manager and they accept.
You know if you meet white person,
when you tell them,
they tell and say you love her. It's not possible. Now only our blood don't see you now. Babe, I love you. The moment I set my eyes on you, I know you are the right person for me. They don't they preach. So it be like saying now one of our team member.
Destiny casters.
The woman
they look for destinies.
Waiting her ass do and the single mother mistake na 5 or 6. Now you go say no, I need to block
one woman tell me say, bro, Austin, I know what the apple. If my they toast me, your mouth you're gonna turn my head. I'm gonna think about bro Austin. Bro Austin say, you're gonna think about me.
No, we need to think. Oh, may we not see make another mistake.
The law of my brother.
We need to remember the If we not think wetin you go
remember
tell yourself, we go see make
No,
mistake
remember,
well. So we need to
He said,
think and remember.
as he just stand with man like this, bah, the more your talk finish, you go to reach it, bang, bang, bang. But Austin say, he say, we don't come out.
Bro, see that kind of student, that kind of student, he did class 6.
See her now,
He never
Sister Claire,
graduated
no,
well.
I say she herself too.
She's very correct.
Me too. You see her?
See, let me say, you are
Yeah, that
in
one
the
say,
day class
likewise
6.
me here. See her?
Okay, now. They are graduating.
They don't graduate though. He said the spirit of brother Austin gonna tell us he say video and well.
What did he say? Boss, he say, bang, bang, bang. Boss, he say, bang, bang, bang. Oh, yeah. You don't come, why you don't come out?
Host o, make una no vex o. That day, I dey come back from travel. I dey inside train. One black girl come dey near me. So e be like say the girl boyfriend don provoke am. She come dey talk for phone. She dey quarrel. Dey talk to the boy. The next thing the girl wan say, he say the boy cut am say, I was just trying to protect you. The girl say trying to protect me. Inside my mind, as I hear that word, I call boss loud. Now I say, hey, come to Brassy platform. May you come here, my dad. They know they protect you.